Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch my video for the Desmos fellowship application. I've heard some great things about the program. Definitely been loving using Desmos, so I'm excited to show off a little bit of what I've been doing and hopefully become a part of the next cohort and learn even more about what Desmos can do and how we can kind of add to the functionality of how it works in our program here at Santa Margarita Catholic High School. So one of the things I wanted to just show off in the video is quickly some of the work I've done of late. I teach pre-calc honors, and we're at the point where we're working through conics, so parabolas, ellipses, hyperbolas, so on and so forth. And I've actually started playing around with folders as well, which I found to be really beneficial. I hadn't used it before, but definitely have gotten into sliders a lot. We focus a ton on transformations, but as I explored the use of folders, I realized that by having groups of tasks, if you will, in Desmos for the horizontally and vertically oriented hyperbola, I can actually just click a button and have everything turned on at one time. So I can have the graph, I can have the focus or foci, the center, the asymptotes, all that kind of stuff turn on at one time. If I want to switch from horizontal to vertical, I love the ability to just quickly switch from one to the next and not have to click 8 or 10 or 12 different buttons on and off. In addition, we share these with our students as well. So the ability for them to go in and play around with it and quickly switch from one function to the next is awesome. I actually have a separate Desmos activity or Desmos graph where it's got hyperbolas, parabolas, and ellipses all in one. And of course, for us, we focus from day one in our whole math department on sliders. So the ability for me to change values of h and k, and to, as the numbers change, to watch the function actually move on the screen is super powerful. The same thing with hyperbolas, with changing the major and minor axes here and being able to switch out and see how it changes the graph, the foci, the asymptotes, so on and so forth. One of the things I've wished that Desmos can do, and maybe it can do it and I just don't know how yet, is to actually print or show the equation of the graph or the equation of the asymptotes on the screen and have it change dynamically. So I mean, obviously I know I've got the function and the asymptotes built in here, but I would love that as I change the values of h and k, if it also changed, y equals 2x minus 3, y equals 4x minus 3, whatever the case may be, if it actually changed the equation on the screen. Again, maybe that's possible, and I don't know how to do it yet, but just one of the things that went through my head. So anyway, just wanted to show off that feature. I know it's simple. We've just started kind of diving into it, but again, just loving the ability of having folders and being able to turn on all these different things at one time and switch between the two different types of hyperbola. It's been great for my students and been a great teaching tool for me. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this couple-minute video. I certainly look forward to hearing back from the committee and hopefully being a part of this next cohort of the Desmos Fellows, excuse me. So thanks again for your time. If you have any questions, I look forward to hearing from you guys. Again, Scott Bricker from Santa Margarita Catholic High School. And thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.